BABAKAY'S kitchen. On today's menu, we're gonna have red beans and rice. For the ingredients, we're gonna have 3 cans of red beans, 1 can of coconut milk, 3 cups of parboiled rice, some turkey butts and smoked turkey necks. We also have green onion, 1 onion, regular onion, garlic, habaneros, thyme, and ginger. So we're gonna make our way over to the pot now to start the cooking process. So we're gonna have our heat on medium, and we're gonna start by putting the smoked turkey butts and turkey neck in the pan. And we're gonna add the beans, the red beans. We're gonna add a little bit of the Knor Seasoning. I'm not gonna put a lot because the smoked turkey neck and smoked butt got a little bit of salt already. Washing it helps to remove a lot of the starch content. So as you can see, there's a lot of starch on the rice. So we're just gonna let that out. one more time. We're gonna set it to the side. All right, the red beans has been going for about 45 minutes now. So it's right about time for me to put the rice inside now. So I'm gonna put the rice. And I'm gonna reduce the heat. Okay. Make sure you taste before you put the rice, so you make sure you have enough seasoning in it. So now we're just gonna cover it and let it do its thing. Yeah, it's been cooking for about 15 minutes now. And you can see it's almost done. So we're gonna give it 10 more minutes and it's gonna be ready to serve. This is the finished dish: red beans and rice with smoked turkey butts and smoked turkey neck, Trini style. Thank you for your viewership, and make sure you subscribe and like.